First, go here, expand, and let's click on Animate, please. From here, make sure you select Tracking. And then here, click on Add, Property, and then here, make sure you select Opacity. Now let's decrease tracking amount and opacity. So for tracking amount, I'm going to add minus 160. And for opacity, I'm just going to increase opacity to 0 or just enter 0. And now here, just click on here to expand. And then we're going to have to go to start here. So just add a keyframe for start. And then here, if we move a couple of keyframes, we're going to add here 100. Okay, and this is what we have. Now, if it's too slow, which it is for me, I'm going to move the keyframes closer to each other. And here, don't forget to highlight your keyframes, right click, and then here select ease in, and also right click, and then here select ease out. Just adjust the timing and smoothness of the animation by dragging the handles or anchor points closer together.